Okay, we're going to be changing the battery on this Honda Metro. This is 2013 50cc. And the first thing we're going to do is take off the mat. And you can use a plier. Oh, sorry, not a plier. Use a screwdriver. Just get it under the mat here, and there's a little rubber thing right there. Just pull it up and work your way around. And there's one toward the middle here, and pull it out. And you see the little rubber little things that are holding the mat down. They go into these little holes, and once you get that out, you can pull the mat out. So the mat's off, and we're setting it aside. And now we got to deal with this cover here, and it has a little Phillips screwdriver here. So let's go get a Phillips. So we got a Phillips screwdriver here, and we'll go ahead and get the screw out here. Okay, screws out. Put it in our little screw holder. And then there's these little clips around the side here. See, there's a clip there. And there's one on this side. Let's see. And there, the cover pops off. Put that aside. And now here's the battery compartment. You see there's the battery. It's a YTXL4-BS. And we're going to take that battery out. Looks like there's just a metal clip on the side here. And let's push this rubber down. Let's see, use a screwdriver. I switch to a plier here. I'm gonna see if I can grab this ring and push it down. Let's see if I can set this up. Okay, it turned out to be a two-hand job. Basically, you want to pull this rubber here towards, the center of the bike, and that'll get it around this loop here. Once it's out, the battery should be able to pull it out. But now I'm gonna take off and disconnect the battery here, and disconnect the battery here. So I'll start with the negative and then pull that off, and then do the positive. Okay, got that one off. Let's get this side off. Okay, they're both off, both disconnected, and the battery should just pull out from here. there it is. And this is the replacement battery from AutoZone. It's a Duralast Gold AZX4L AMG. And the date code on this battery is August 2019, which was about 3 months ago. So it should be okay. You want to get if you have a choice, you know, get the freshest battery. Don't get a battery that's been on the shelf too long. And here's the battery out of the box. Here's the old one, and here's the new one. It comes with the fresh set of screws. It's taped on here, and we'll go ahead and use those. And here's the positive side, and we're going to put it in exactly the same way. So it went in this way, so we're going to put this battery in the same way, where the negative terminal is on this side, and then the positive terminal is over here. So it matches the way the other battery went in. So let's go ahead and put it in. So I'm taking the screws out, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the nuts under here on both sides, and then we'll put the screws in. So I got the nuts underneath the poles here, so you can see it right there, and they'll catch. They're just sitting there. So we can go ahead and put this in the space here. Let's put this. I need a stand, so this goes in here. And see if I can pull this out. Okay, there it goes, going in. Dropped in, and then we'll do the reverse, what we did before. We'll pull this over here and get this underneath the hook here. And there it is, so the battery's fastened in here. And then we'll put the nuts in. I usually start, put the positive in first, so this is the side we want to screw in first, and then once that... So we got the positive side attached right there. I'm going to cover that, and we'll do the negative side here. See if I can hold the phone here. And you just got to spin the screw until it catches that nut down below. Looks like it got it, so come on, I can see it moving up. Is it going? Nope. You might have to help it a little bit. Let's see if we can put a screw under here, a screwdriver. Okay, there we go. Okay. Looks like it caught, so there we go. Just got to tighten it up. And we got both of them in, so that looks good. Let's go ahead and put the cover back on. And we need the screw for the cover. And then before we put the mat on, I want to go ahead and wipe this area down, and then it should just be able to snap in place. Here's the holes for the cover, so we just snap it all the way around, but I'm going to clean up all this dirt first. I got my shop bench brush, so I'm just going to use that to get rid of all the loose dirt that's here. Okay, that looks clean. And then got a little bit of simple green. Just spray a little bit on. That should be good. And then just wipe it down. You know, it doesn't have to be spotless, just, you know, good enough. There we go. Now the back of this is a little bit dirty, so we can go ahead and wipe that off too. And we're gonna go ahead and put the mat in place now. Try to line up the holes, and then you can start pushing them in. And just work your way around. They just snap in, just push them in right from the top. You can just feel for him. And if you need to double check the alignment, go ahead and just lift it up a little. Okay, that one was a little bit tough. So I got two more here. That one, and then one more. That's it. And everything looks good. It's all flat. So let me go ahead and spray some more simple green on here, and we'll wipe this off again. And then we'll call it done. So we got everything all put back together. Everything's all clean now, wiped down. So that means we should be ready to go here. Gonna put the key in, and here we go. We got battery. It wasn't starting up before. We have to kickstart it. So we're all good.